Wow! Ooh. Oh, where the heck are we? I don't know. I don't know though. Okay. Ooh. Okay, hold on. Alright, let's see. Whoa! Our TV. Whoa, look at that. Our TV has been moved. And look at our house. It's updated. Man, this is really great. Okay. So, should we just borrow this? No, let's not. Let's not borrow this, okay? Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay, guys, let's go. Okay. Oh. Wow, this house is really great. Wow, this is really great. Okay, everyone, hold on to B. Okay. Okay, drop off. Oh, where the heck are we? Okay, I wonder where the heck are we? Oh, hey there. Oh my goodness. Whoa, who are you? I'm Red. Whoa, you're Red? Yeah, I'm from Angry Birds. Wait, I know your game. Whoa, this is so cool to meet an Angry Birds. Can I have your autograph, please? Oh yeah, sure. Sure. Wait, there's an Angry Bird here? Wait, there's an Angry Birds here? Wait, there's an Angry Birds in this world? Can I have your autograph? Yeah, can I have your autograph? I want your autograph. No, can I have your autograph? Can I have your autograph, please? Oh, he left. Okay, let's just... Yeah, he left because you guys annoyed him. Okay, let's just go then. Go then. I wonder where he lives though. I don't know. Anyway, everyone hold on to B again. Where do you think Red lives? I have no idea why.